In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the crank position sensor on your Kia Optima. Located in front of the car under the vehicle, let's get started. Moving onto the vehicle, we're going to go ahead and remove this plate. This is going to have two 10mm bolts, one located right here, and then another one on this side. Using a 10mm socket, go ahead and remove that bolt. Next up, we're going to remove the other one. Using an extension and a 10mm socket, go ahead and remove the bolt. Remove the bolt and take the plate out. With that cover off, we can now see the 10mm bolt that holds the sensor in place. Go ahead and remove that. Using the same tool, go ahead and take it off. Remove the bolt. And now that you have the bolt off, you're gonna go ahead and wiggle the sensor side to side. I'm gonna go ahead and use a flathead screwdriver to help me move the sensor side to side. As you move the sensor side to side, you wanna apply some pressure to pull it out. Wiggle the sensor and pull it out. Moving under the hood, we're gonna go ahead and locate the connector. It's gonna be around this area next to the brake master cylinder. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and unplug this connector. It's gonna be the third one counting from the back forward, right here. So the first thing we're gonna do is unclip it. And once we have it in this position, we're gonna go ahead and push on this clip and take it out. Once you have it out, go ahead and pull on the cable to get the old sensor out of the way. And here's the old one. Next up, we're gonna install the new one, and we're gonna route it the same way the old one came out. So start at the bottom, route it through. Now we're gonna go ahead and plug it in. Make sure you clip it in place and just give it a little wiggle to make sure that it is secure. Once you have that secure, we're gonna go ahead and slide the new connector onto that same clip that we took off the old one from. Now that we have the connector in place, we can now go back to the bottom of the vehicle to install the sensor. Next up, we can go ahead and install the sensor onto the hole. We're gonna line it up. Push it in. Make sure that you lined up the hole with the block. And start the bolt by hand. Go ahead and snug it up. If you can fit a torque wrench, the torque spec is 9 foot-pounds. In this case, I'm just gonna snug it up. Go ahead and install the cover and start the bolts by hand. If you can fit a torque wrench in this location, the torque spec is also 9 foot-pounds. In this case, I'm just gonna go ahead and snug it up by hand. Now it'll be time to test the functionality of the vehicle. If you did have a check engine light, go ahead and reset it. That'll be job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.